logging events. This is the third year that Brody and I have personally put it on. We've had the store and we really enjoy our community, we love our customers, and we love trappers, so we're more than happy to be helping out with this.
I got a lot of work. I'll let you know in a few hours.
I'm trying to win first place. I'm not gonna win it yet.
That's what I like to do, is chainsaw, cut logs, try to show my daughter what I can do, and hopefully she'll see this.
You know, one of the big things about it is it's a winter festival. We're up north in Northern Manitoba. We're known for cold weather, yet we can still have fun in these cold snaps.
Like, even though if I didn't place, I still, as long as my daughter knows that I know how to do stuff, and I'd like to show her that Trappers Festival is usually good to participate. And
It'd be nice to have more competitors out here. It's more fun to have more people, just more competition, eh?
Thanks for having me up here. Love the North, love the Paw, great events. Can't wait till next year.